Divas and Divos, it's me, Just Londa, and I want to show you how I do my own long nails. So these are my nails, I grew them out, and I just want to show you how I do them. So yeah, let's go ahead and roll that beautiful baked bean footage. So I've actually basically already did most of the prepping already. What you're seeing here is just leftovers of what I'm doing. So the way I like to do it is I don't always file down to my bare nails, okay? I don't normally do that unless I feel like I need to put on a whole new, brand new set. In this round that I'm doing my nails, I did not put on a whole new set. I'm just basically taking off or removing what I feel that is lifting. What I'm trying to show you is a crack in the nail that I mended and it's still going on strong. So Millennium is what I'm using for nail prep. It's basically working as a dehydrator. You don't have to put this all over the nail, but because I like doing it, I just like doing it. You don't have to, but you definitely want to put something on your natural nail. And I'm mainly getting on the natural nail, and then I'm also getting on the more thinner parts where I see that my nail is peeking through. And if you can look at it, you can see that I did basically file all the way slightly down to the bad nail. Like I still have some gel left on it, but you know, it's you know, thin enough. And then that's Chroma Bonder. I got that from Sally's, and that is basically my primer, and I'm only putting that on my actual nails. So Gershon is going to be the polygel of choice, and I'm using my 91% alcohol, and I'm just getting a cup that I got from Sally's and my maquette brush that I lost. I'm just using my dipping cup that I got, and that is the foundation of choice that I'm using. I got the polygel and the foundation from Amazon. Amazon is really good. Like I really enjoy using Amazon, and I'm glad that I can get these products off of Amazon. And if you're looking at what I'm doing, if you're looking at really under, so I'm just going in with a thin layer of foundation on top of my nails, pushing the excess up to the cuticle, and then just layering it down onto the tip. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, which you don't see. And I'm basically eyeballing how much I'm going to be putting on my nails. I've been working with polygel for about a year and a half, 2 years now. So I pretty much know how to use it and how to eyeball it. And it's really easy how to take away and add on. So mainly I just go in and just eyeball how much I need, pushing what I need to the cuticle, and I just don't really like to have like to have a thick cuticle, so I just push just a little bit, and then all the extra bits or all the what is ever left over, I just slowly push it down, trying to keep the shape of the nail intact, because that's less work that I have to do. And whatever is going to be left over, I actually just save and put it onto the side. And you see me just cleaning it off, and I just remove it. And then what I do is get more alcohol or more slip solution and just keep layering that and try to get it as thin as I like it. So I just go in with another bead on my other hand, and what I do is I basically like to do all 4 of my fingers, because how polygel doesn't move like regular gel, and we all know that, but polygel doesn't move like regular gel. and you don't have any like forced time to cure it. Like you're not forced to cure it or it drying or moving. I just like to do all four of my nails, get my shape intact, and just keep moving on. And as you saw that little bead, that was what was left over from the middle finger. Like I said, I just like to keep it and just keep on going. It's not like there's anything wrong with it. I'm just saving it for the next finger. So yeah, I like to try to keep this shape as much as possible. So, I mean, some people don't mind it, but I like to try to keep this shape intact. And I'm taking my little small bead and doing my pinky nails. Now, I don't want to say that I didn't really have a problem with these sets. Actually, I didn't have a problem with these sets. I think it was more my thumb. My thumbs give me more issues than anything, and that one was lifting. But I think it's because I needed to just go ahead and file everything off, and I didn't. So, yeah, this greenish is pretty alright with me. I like this. Gershon. That's greenish. Gershon. So I went on ahead and cured those nails for 60 seconds. And I went on ahead and did my thumb. I always do my thumb last, or I do my thumb first. I just always do it by itself. Let me say that. I always do it alone because I'm always screwing something up when it's time to put it in the lamp. So I like doing it alone by itself. And I see my problem now. Now that I'm looking back on the footage, now I see what the problem was. I didn't cover all the way on that, on the corners, and that was my error. So I see why I had an issue with my thumb. Okay, problem solved. So these bits here I got off of Amazon, and I will be so so yeah, I'll just go ahead and link everything down below so you can get everything that I had down from my drill. My drill I got off of Amazon. The polygel I got off of Amazon. And what I like to do is, this is the fine bit, and I will feel for any lumps and bumps. Like, normally you don't really get any, but I like to make sure that I don't have any. Sometimes, the eyeball can play a little trick on you, and I just like to feel for it. So I'll just take the fine bit, and it has a nice little F on there, and I'll just go ahead and file my nails. And I also try to do some shaping as well. I'm just feeling to see if there's anything else that needs to be re-smoothed or anything. I'm going to switch that bit out, and I'm going to go in with a circular bit that's more for like cuticle work. And what I'm doing with that is, sorry, my mouth got dry. I'm just going to go ahead and go around my cuticle just in case I had pushed too much of the polygel up to my cuticle. But yeah, that bit, I fell in love with that bit. I like that bit. And then actually I use that to clean my cuticles too. So yeah, I like that bit. That bit is really nice. And I'm sorry that I keep getting out of frame and have to readjust and refocus. I'll figure out another way to use it. So this is another bit that I like using around the cuticle as well. And basically after I go around with the circular bit, I like to use this bit to smooth out any lumps and bumps around the cuticle area from me shaving my cuticles. You know, I'm just giving it to you as I see it. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do some extra filing, just making sure I don't feel any lumps and bumps. Trying to go ahead and put more reinforcement on my shape. And sometimes I do file on top of nails. It just all depends. I just like to feel and yeah, I like to get a feel for it. I really do. Like I said, I'm no pro, but I've been doing my own nails for years, off and on for years. I hadn't gotten my nails done professionally since England. So I went on ahead, and this is the foundation of choice. I got this from Amazon as well, and I just use a thin layer of it. You don't have to use foundation on top of a gel. That's why I'm not really like going into all the nooks and crannies of it. But yeah, I did use a foundation, and that's only because I knew I was going to be doing some designs. And this is the finished look. I love how they came out. I got so many compliments on it. I hate that I've already changed them already, but I was really wanting to change my nose because my anniversary was coming up, and I wanted something nude for my husband, but he didn't even pay attention to it. So I'm going to change something else, do something else to my nails. So thanks for watching, Divas and Divos. Peace and peace. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.